Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom called Enchantia, there lived five roosters, five parrots, five robins, and three fairies who were best friends. They were all preparing for the most wonderful time of the year, Christmas. The kingdom was filled with festive decorations, twinkling lights, and the smell of freshly baked goodies. The five roosters, named Red, Blue, Green, Yellow, and Orange, were in charge of waking up the kingdom each morning with their loud crowing. They were known for their colorful feathers and friendly personalities. The five parrots, named Polly, Charlie, Mango, Luna, and Peacock, were the chatterboxes of the kingdom, always gossiping and squawking about the latest gossip and news. The five robins, named Rosie, Robin, Ruby, Rusty, and Remy, were known for their beautiful singing voices and were often asked to perform at royal events and parties. Finally, the three fairies, named Aurora, Luna, and Stella, were the magical beings in the kingdom responsible for spreading joy and happiness wherever they went. As Christmas approached, the kingdom was abuzz with excitement. The two princesses of Enchantia, Princesses Amara and Princesses Aria, were busy planning the grand Christmas ball that would be held in the royal palace. They wanted to make this year's celebration the best one yet. The roosters, parrots, robins, and fairies all pitched in to help make the palace look even more magical. Red and blue roosters hung up sparkling lights, while Polly and Charlie parrots decorated the tree with colorful ornaments. Rosie and Ruby robins sang Christmas carols, and Luna and Stella fairies sprinkled glitter and fairy dust around the palace. On Christmas Eve, the kingdom was transformed into a winter wonderland. The palace was lit up with twinkling lights, the Christmas tree sparkled with ornaments, and the air was filled with the sweet smell of gingerbread cookies. As the evening approached, Princesses Amara and Princess Aria put on their most beautiful gowns and welcomed their guests to the grand ball. The roosters, parrots, robins, and fairies were all dressed in their finest attire, ready to celebrate the festive season. The ball was a magical affair with music, dancing, and laughter filling the palace halls. The roosters showed off their dance moves, the parrots entertained the guests with their funny jokes, and the robins sang beautiful carols. As the clock struck midnight, a hush fell over the palace as the three fairies performed a mesmerizing light show, creating intricate patterns in the air with their magical powers. The guests watched in awe as the fairies danced and twirled, casting a spell of wonder and enchantment over the ball. Princess Amara and Princess Aria thanked their friends for helping to make the Christmas ball such a memorable event. They knew that with the roosters, parrots, robins, and fairies by their side, every celebration in Enchantia would be filled with love, joy, and magic. And so, as the night came to an end, the kingdom of Enchantia bid farewell to Christmas with happy hearts and cherished memories, looking forward to the next festive season filled with more adventures and enchantment.